Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix a quite common bug in Blender that annoys me every single time when I'm having like modeling workflows or grooming workflows or anything involving this little sidebar here. So the bug in question is when you're, for example, in edit mode and you try to you do a edge cut or something and then you want to bevel, you click on bevel, you add your bevel, and sometimes you just press a button and sometimes it just doesn't click. For example, when you press a button on the toolbar and you won't release the mouse button while the mouse is still on the button, it won't apply. So what's annoying in this is when you're working like very fast and you just try to click on it like this, like a pro gamer move or something, it just won't like acknowledge the button press. So how you can fix this? I actually just realized you can do this, like extrude this panel. So now when you actually click on bevel, for example, you don't have time to take the mouse out of the giant button, and it's just gonna, confirm your selection of a tool. So I hope this will help you if you have the same problem as me. I hope it's gonna be patched someday, or at least they will like add an option to change this from press and hold. Press and release to just press. But so far, this is the best workaround I found. So if you have a solution to this, let me know in the comments. And for now, thank you for watching. I hope this helped you and see you maybe next time.